Good morning, everyone. How y'all doing on this beautiful overcast day? It's supposed to be like this all day, and I'm soaking it in. Next week, I think we're going to be in the high 90s, and I think today the high is going to be 75 or 77, which is unheard of here in Central California. It's been a cool start to the month. However, we're going to heat up really quick. Today, I'm planting Verbena. This is really my first attempt. Well, I shouldn't say first. You will see holes that are right behind me. I purchased Verbena, I think, for $2 over the winter. I don't know if I cut them back too soon. I feel like I'm limping them along. What I did is I dug them out yesterday, and I'm going to keep them, but I'm going to nurse them back to health in the back garden. This is Homestead Purple Verbena. It is zone 7 to 10. I think you can have it in zone 6, but they say to mulch it very heavy during the winter. It can grow up to a foot tall and 3 feet wide. I think that will be a really beautiful contrast just behind the yellow profusion zinnias, which I'm going to finish off the swoop of them right here. Then I'm going to plant Proven Winners Evening Rose or Summerific Evening Rose Hibiscus. Now, I know the foliage looks a little different, but they did say that this is an evening rose. I should have bought 3 to begin with, so here we are a few years later, and I'm going to finish it off with this last one. And I got it just in time before they all start blooming. As I plant the profusion yellow zinnias, you're probably going to see that some of them are struggling. And when I picked them up a few weeks ago, I didn't realize that they were being attacked. Well, snails, I think I covered this the other day. Snails and pincher bugs or earwigs. So I've sprayed them, I've cut them back, and hopefully they're going to bounce back as soon as I get them in the ground. I have the profusion cherry, I think it's a cherry bicolor, and same thing happened with those. And the minute I got them in the ground, they started performing much better than in their little pot. So I'm going to start off with the hibiscus. The Proven Winners Summerific Evening Rose Hibiscus is zone 4 to 9. They can grow up to 4 feet tall and 5 feet wide. And I know that for sure because each year these easily can top out right about here. The Verbena and the profusion yellow zinnias, I think the purple and the yellow is a great play. When I do my tour here in a few weeks of our front garden, you will notice that normally each year we have this side of our garden, which is more on the west side, normally all in vincas. I finally took them all out and I said, oh, this year I want to do all yellow zinnias all along the side. Well, of course, I could only get my hands on a few of these yellow ones. And you will notice when I do the tour that I only have half of this area in yellow, and then the rest will be in the profusion bicolor cherry. So I hope that's not too much of a difference. It's still going to be a very pretty look when they're all fully in bloom. Before too long, our lily of the Nile, agapanthus, the Peter Pan plants that we have in front near the Avondale redbud, they're full of buds, and even the ones that are underneath our redwoods where we just planted all the impatiens. So soon those will all be blooming along with the butterfly bush. I think it's a great addition, the hibiscus, and I can't wait to see all three of these in full bloom this summer. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you're having a wonderful week. We'll see you soon. Bye.